Good evening, Sir JB. We are Group 2 and we are going to report about networking and alliance building. So, to start, first, what is alliance? It is all about cooperation and collaboration, which share common goals. Unity, kumbaga. Next is networking. Networking is a supportive system of sharing information and services among individuals and groups having a common interest. Dito naman, minamaximize natin yung bawat miyembro ng group to access connection, mga kakilala na makakatulong para ma-achieve yung goal. So, there are types of strategic alliance process. First is the strategy development. Strategy development involves studying the alliance's feasibility, objectives, and rationale, focusing on the major issues and challenges in development of resource strategies for production, technology, and people. Dito, you're making an assessment kung baga, ito yung foundation or yung starting point. Dito pumapasok yung pagpa-plan natin. Second is partner assessment. Partner assessment involves analyzing a potential partner's strengths and weaknesses, creating strategies for accommodating all partners' management styles, preparing appropriate partner selection criteria, understanding a partner's motives for joining the alliance, and addressing resource capability gaps that may exist for a partner. Dito naman yung prospect partner ang ina-access. Tinatansya kung ano yung makakatulong o hindi. Pag kinuha mo or nag-agree ka sa partnership na in-offer, you're making a SWOT analysis of the prospective partner. Alliance operation. Alliance operations involves addressing senior management's commitment, finding the caliber of resources devoted to the alliance, linking of budgets and resources with strategic priorities, measuring and rewarding alliance performance, and assessing the performance and results of the alliance. Alliance termination involves winding down the alliance for assistance when its objectives have been met or cannot be met, or when a partner adjusts priorities or reallocates resources elsewhere. The advantages of strategic alliance includes allowing each partner to concentrate on activities that best match their capabilities, learning from partners and developing competences that may be more widely exploited elsewhere, and adequacy, a suitability on the resources and competencies of an organization for it to survive. So there are types of strategic alliance. First is the joint venture. Joint venture is a strategic alliance in which two or more firms create a legally independent company to share some of their resources and capabilities to develop a competitive advantage. Equity strategic alliance is an alliance in which two or more firms own different percentages of the company they have formed by combining some of their resources and capabilities to create a competitive advantage. Non-equity strategic alliance is an alliance in which two or more firms develop a contractual relationship to share some of their unique resources and capabilities to create a competitive advantage. They have to fill up forms that would set as their evidence that they have reserved and will use the room from this time up to that time. Global strategic alliances, working partnerships between companies, often more than two, across national boundaries and increasingly across industries, sometimes formed between company and a foreign government or among companies and governments. An example is the exchange student program that the school offers for qualified students. Qualified students meaning they have above average CQPAs.